à Montpellier. Flo, are you happy to go à Montpellier? Ok, allez, on y va. I am in the Grau-du-Roi and now I am going to the beach with my friend. And yes, I didn't do any updates yesterday because I was on the beach and nothing interesting happened because mostly I was relaxing, and I get some sunburn, so you can see my red nose. Hi guys, welcome in the second day. The last day and the last hours in Le Grau-du-Roi, and I am so sunburned that I have to go to the water with my white t-shirt, and I'm kind of sad because it's the end of my short holidays in holidays. And I'm going back to Dijon, and I'm going to spend nice time with my friends till 1st September.
Mettez des pouces bleus en bas et abonnez-vous.